Hey, it's that guy, the DGV. What's up? Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys for all the feedback, all the comments. I do read all of them. I hope you guys like the shift sector vlog. Anyways, so today I'm in the backyard. I took down the pool. As you can see, the trailer's behind me. I was actually going through cleaning today on my vacation, and I came across my CRX door. So long story short, I'm fixing the weather strip on my CRX. So the CRX is missing the weather strip que va aquí en la puerta. So it's missing this weather strip. So when you guys close the door, if you're missing that weather strip, listen to the noise. That is just a horrible sound. You hear that? And I know I need new seats too. I know. We'll get there eventually. But listen to it. I hate that sound. It doesn't do that when you roll up the window though. So again, this is an SIR. And since it's an SIR, it has power windows. So listen to this. Once it seals with the upper weather strip that it does have, listen to it. Boom. No noise at all. So as long as you roll up the window, you don't hear that noise. But hey, summer's coming sooner than later, and I want to be ready for it. I got a couple of things I want to fix. So obviously I want seats. This fender I never showed you guys, but it's been damaged since I got it. So I want to fix that fender or replace it. And I do want to lower it. I guess you can say I'm tired of the 2-inch lift that it has, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. But anyway, so like I said, I was taking off this stuff off the other door, and I thought about it. Hey, why not show you guys? Oh, I hate that sound. Why not show you guys how to replace it? I mean, who's doing videos on CRX nowadays? Not a lot of people, and if there is, let me know so I can follow them. Here's the old door. I'm gonna go over how I took it off, just to kind of help you guys out. Let's pretend it's back on it. So you got the handle that has 1 screw. These are all Phillips. You got the power window switch here that has 2 screws. You have the speaker that has a screw on top on each side. And then you have 2 screws right here that you take off. And your accessory or extra items holder, whatever you want to call it, has a screw here and here. Once you do that, you start pulling it from the bottom, and you start pulling it, and it pops off. You also got a screw up here, and then you kind of push it up, and you start pulling it, and it comes off. And then when you pull it off, this is what you see behind. So this one has a power window motor. Most of these CRXs, you won't see any power stuff on them because they're just not power windows, right? All the US models are manual. So this one still has the bronze tint window. So I do have a spare window. No, I cannot sell it. I like to keep spare parts. Any spare parts that I can get a hold of, I will keep. I will keep and hold on to. You do take off the speaker. I did take off the 10mm bolt there, and inside in there you can't really see it, but it's in there. I did take off the window. It's Enzo! We're gonna remove the screw that's right here, guys. There's 1 screw. You got 1 back there. I'll have to take this off. You got 1 up there in the corner. You got 2 right here, like I said. So to take it off, I use my blade. And what I do, you have 2 tabs, 1 on top. And you just gotta boom, and the bottom, boom. So this piece comes off too before you take it off, guys. You grab it from the handle and you lift it up. As you can see, it's off. We're just gonna put this piece in the back out of the way so we don't damage it. So I already unscrewed the bolts. You're gonna slide it up, and you're gonna slide it, and I'm gonna put the phone down, but you're gonna let it straight through the outside, and it comes out straight up, and then the rest comes out. It's that easy. It's just 2 bolts that hold it in place, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. If you guys are working on your CRXs, that is what it looks like. This is the original bronze tint window. You just unbolt that. It's super easy. That's the beautiful thing about Hondas. Now we take off the defective part, which is this weather strip. This is the whole reason we're taking everything off. So this is missing this bottom piece, like I told you guys, and that goes all the way through the bottom of the door. You guys can kind of see it's missing it all the way. So now that we got the window off, we're gonna go ahead and do this the right way. And we're gonna take this off. And this just pulls off, guys, as you can see. So there's the old one off. So there's the whole complete. There's a whole piece that's missing. Why it's causing the door to, or the glass to make a noise. So now let's put it back. Is that Tyson? What a beautiful day, huh, Tyson? And Kookie, Tyson and Kookie. What's up, guys? My advice to start with the corner, like I did, and then work yourself down. But we're finishing this side. So what you do, you grab this with your thumb, and you push it under, and you push it under. It has this little sleeve, and you push that under, and you just keep doing the same thing all the way to the end. Again, guys, we're losing daylight. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. That's gonna do it for the CRX install. I gotta put the window back on it and finish putting everything back together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me if you guys like the content. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of your week. Look at this, window down. Boom!